Today we're talking all about gyroscopes and accelerometers in electronics, the thing that makes your cell phone be able to orientate, your drones to fly, and your GPS to navigate. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Gyroscopes and accelerometers are integral components in modern electronics, especially in mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. These tiny sensors play a critical role in enhancing user experience and enabling a wide range of functionalities. Gyroscopes and electronics. A gyroscope is a device used to measure or maintain orientation and angular velocity. In electronics, gyroscopes are often utilized to determine orientation. This is critical for applications like image stabilization in cameras, ensuring that photos and videos remain steady and clear regardless of hand movement. How gyroscopes work. Gyroscopes maintain their level of orientation based on the principles of angular momentum. In electronic devices, this is often achieved by using MEMS technology. These MEMS gyroscopes have tiny vibrating structures that detect changes in orientation and rotational movements. Accelerometers in electronics. Accelerometers measure accelerated force. These forces could be static, like a constant pull of gravity, or dynamic, caused by moving or shaking the device, from counting steps in fitness trackers to rotating screens in smartphones. How accelerometers work. Accelerometers use MEMS technology as well. They contain mass attached to springs. When the device moves or tilts, the mass moves and the accelerometer measures the displacement through the resistance change of the springs. Importance in electronics. User interface interaction. These sensors make screen orientation changes possible and are used in gaming controls for motion-based input, navigation, and tracking. In combination, they provide essential data for GPS and other location-based services. Health and fitness tracking. They are vital in counting steps, monitoring sleep patterns, and other health-related metrics. Vehicle control systems. In automotive electronics, they are used for stability control and accident detection. Some other uses. Space applications. Gyroscopes are used in space vehicles for stabilization and navigation. Virtual reality. They are critical in VR headsets for tracking head movement. Drone stabilization. They use gyroscopes and accelerometers for flight stability and navigation. Comparing gyroscopes and accelerometers. While gyroscopes and accelerometers are both essential in motion sensing and navigation technology, they serve distinct functions and operations for different principles. Functionality. Gyroscopes measure rotation and orientation based on angular momentum, whereas accelerometers measure linear acceleration along one or more axes. This includes gravitational pull, which allows them to determine orientation relative to the Earth's surface. Sensing mechanisms. Gyroscopes sense irregular velocity, rate of rotation, making them ideal for detecting twists and turns. Accelerometers, in contrast, detect change in velocity, speed, and direction of movement, not just rotational movement. Similarities. MEMS technology. Both sensors often use MEMS technology, which allows for their miniaturization and integration in electronic devices. Complementary usage. In many devices, gyroscopes and accelerometers are used together. For instance, in smartphones, the accelerometer can tell the orientation of the phone, whether it's horizontal or vertical, and the gyroscope can measure the phone's rotation around its axis. The combination of a gyroscope and accelerometer allow for a comprehensive understanding of a device's orientation and movement in three-dimensional space, enabling advanced features like motion tracking, augmented reality, and more. Understanding their distinct and complementary functions helps in appreciating how they collectively contribute to sophisticated capabilities of modern electronics. The integration of gyroscopes and accelerometers in electronics has revolutionized how devices interact with their environment and users. These sensors are the unsung heroes of mobile devices, quietly powering numerous applications and functionalities that we often take for granted. Understanding their operation and importance helps appreciate the sophistication present in our everyday gadgets. I hope you enjoyed this video on gyroscopes and accelerometers in electronics. For more on electronics, making, and DIY projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It. And remember, keep on making.